Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greyglamma, GGM. I made this yummy Coca-Cola sauce chicken wings. It's so delicious, so yummy. You can try this at home to spice up your day, to make something different for your family, for your kids, and for your loved ones. You can also make this for a gathering, a small gathering, or a big party. It comes out delicious. These are the ingredients that I use to make this recipe. Chicken wings, the normal chicken wings, you just salt the chicken wings. Before I go any further, please like, please comment on the video and subscribe to my channel if you have not. The next step is to heat up oil in a pan and brown both sides of the chicken wings. When one side is brown, you turn the other side and then bring it out immediately. Don't allow it to stay in the oil for a long time. You know, you can use other parts of the chicken like the chicken thigh or the chicken breast to do this, but I use chicken wings because of the tenderness of that part of the chicken. When you are done with this, the next step is to saute garlic. One garlic clove is just what you need. Saute the garlic and then add the onions. The reason why you saute the garlic before the onion is to give the little oil, the taste of the garlic, so that the meat will have the taste of that garlic. It comes out wonderful. Now add 2 bay leaves and then you add back the chicken into the pan. Now these are the ingredients, the spices that I use: cinnamon, black pepper, white pepper, chili powder, and seasoning cube, and also I added garlic powder. Add the spices to the chicken and then add 33 cl of Coca-Cola, normal Coca-Cola, not zero, non-caffeine, no, just normal Coca-Cola. Next, you add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix everything together and cover to cook. Cook for like 15 to 20 minutes because this chicken is tender, so it doesn't need much cooking. And as you are cooking it, you'll be turning it and checking for the sauce to thicken. When the sauce is thick, you now turn everything, mix it very well with the chicken. You see how it's coming out. On the color alone is wow, it's so delicious. Now you add bell pepper, any color of your choice. I used red and yellow bell pepper here. You add it, mix everything together, and it's ready to be served. Thank you for sticking to the end of the video, and thank you for the likes, for the comments, and the support. Please subscribe if you have not. I hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.